Neo-Black Movement of Africa (NBM) don carry waka on Tuesday, December 26, 2023, go the palace of the Oba of Benin Kingdom, His Royal Majesty Omonoba Nedo Ukwu Oba Ewere II, Oba of Benin, to go join body with am for the celebration of Ugie Ewere, wey be ceremony of Festival of Blessings. The Ugie Ewere na part of activities to celebrate the Igwe Festival. Deputy National President Neo-Black Movement of Africa (NBM) Ugie Ewere, wey represent the National President High Chief Ese Kakor JP and other members of the movement, come carry waka go greet the Oba of Benin, His Royal Majesty Omonoba Nedo Ukwu Oba Ewere II, Oba of Benin, as tradition demand. Ugie Ewere, for in talk with our three person, come talk say dem join body with the Oba today to celebrate the Ugie Ewere, sake of say NBM na people wey dey respect culture and traditions, and say dem pray for prosperity, long life and good health. A constant talk say
this year Igwe na heavy one, na serious one. It's different from other Igwe. This one gets special swag because the MDM participate follow this Igwe well. Day before yesterday I did the same palace for Igwe Mobo. We follow back Badua, not be small. You know, it was so enlightening. The spirit of Benin culture and ancestors, they're everywhere around. So today now you see everybody around. Our new year and a special birthday for us. So this year is different way because this year we want to go be better year past the one we don't pay. MBM don't look forward to this year. In the mood of celebration and peace, we dey ask for MBM. We dey look for brotherhood. We dey look for true friendship. We dey look for prosperity among members. And above all, we dey look for good health for all members all over the world.
Former National President NBM Pa Ugbaide Godwin come talk say Neo-Black Movement of Africa (NBM) they celebrate the Ugie Ewere today, sake of say they know how it dey important to them, and say NBM go always join body with the Oba for celebrations. And constant talk say
we are here once again, like we do yearly, with the honor and the invitation of the Oba of Benin, Ewere II, who have recently invited us to come and grace this occasion. So we are here to join the Benin Kingdom in celebrating this festival, this annual festival, which is the festival of peace, that brings peace, joy to the community. We are happy to be here, and we know what Igwe means. It brings a blessing. It's a season of blessing. To carry up the Oba of Benin is a man of culture, tradition. We want to join him in sustaining this tradition of Igwe Festival. We are happy to be here.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From the palace of the Oba of Benin Kingdom, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.